Smile does not melt your heart on a Tuesday morning, folks. I don't know what else we can do. This is Ellie Lampe, who is celebrating her 5th birthday in La Harpe. Miss Ellie, yes, I said that on purpose. Miss Ellie, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, what a sweetheart there. And Carson Tate is 7 strong this year. Hey, he was having a super 7th birthday. What an awesome shirt.
Got his own t-shirt for his birthday.
That. Well, his birthday was on Sunday.
That's great.
That's why you got the picture in there with the shirt. With love from Mom, sisters Timber and Lainey, and Aunt Rachel. He's out in Humboldt, Kansas.
That's a cool shirt there, Carson. That's awesome, man. Cameron Burchett is now double digits. Cameron celebrating her 10th birthday. She's a 4th grader. I want everybody out in Liberal to find Cameron today and give her a big birthday wish.
All right, and Ryder Murphy turning 10 years old this year in Seneca.
Indian pride.
All right, happy birthday from Mom, Dad, Roman, Rinley, Raylan, and Nanny.
So we've got Roman, Rinley, Raylan, and Ryder.
I love it.
Oh, Mom and Dad. God bless them for keeping those names straight. That's something else.
Somebody like yours.
Jayma Stevenson, she is celebrating her 12th birthday. Jayma, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from Mom and Dad as she celebrates in Next City. And Jayma, I absolutely love that hair.
I do.
Gorgeous color.
All right, out in Parsons, Reagan Thompson, welcome to the teenage years. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, Reagan. Love that long hair.
Yeah, that's impressive right there. Now, I'm told that Bob Backer has a nickname, but he goes by Slider. Looks like we had a little party behind us there. Maybe that's what his biker friends know him as right there, Slider. Bob, a very happy 69th birthday to you, my friend.
All right, happy birthday, Bob. And happy birthday to Pops, who had a celebration yesterday.
Look at that.
Mr. Stephen Gentle. There he is with a little friend there. Turning 78 years old in Erie, Kansas.
Yeah, somebody's not spoiled, that's for sure. That is great.
He doesn't look too sure. Like don't jump off.
Xavier Phillips, now 16 years old. It is time to break out the driver's license. Full miss to Xavier. Xavier, a very happy birthday in Parsons, and he happens to attend Labette County High School. A little Grizzly pride right there. So everybody at Labco, wish Xavier a happy birthday as well. Erwin Crum is celebrating number 74. Erwin celebrated yesterday, but I wanted to go ahead and carry it into today as well. And Erwin is in Erie. And then our good friend Nancy Bryant. And Nancy, I won't give you a hard time for not having a picture because you know that we love you. Happy birthday to Nancy, turning 71 in Chanute. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOA Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Coming up